Morning students, Monday class I start the exercise 5.2 for hyperbola. I completed a parabola and ellipse. Today class I am going to start your hyperbola. What is the equation of the hyperbola? Equation of the hyperbola in standard form with the center 0, 0. That is, center is nothing but what? Origin. Equation of the hyperbola in standard form with the center is what? Origin. X square minus a square x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. What is the equation of hyperbola? X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Suppose instead of minus having plus means it is nothing but what? Ellipse. Keep it in mind. Only symbol only change. X square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, that is nothing but what? Ellipse. But x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1 is nothing but what? Equation of the hyperbola in standard form. So with the center is what? Origin. Origin is nothing but what? 0, 0. Center is what? Origin. So 0, 0. What is our vertices? Vertices a equal to a, 0 and a dash is minus a, 0. Similarly, if you understand the ellipsis, hyperbola is very easy for you. The same vertices having the two vertices parallel to x-axis means what? A, 0 minus a, 0. Y-axis means what? What is the vertices? 0, a, 0, minus a. Similarly, foci. Foci is what? S is c, 0. S dash is minus c, 0. Suppose it is parallel to y-axis, symmetric about y-axis. That is what? 0, c, 0, minus c. Equation of the lattice rectum. Equation of the lattice rectum x is equal to plus or minus AE. Equation of the lattice rectum x is equal to plus or minus A into E. Equation of the directrix. Equation of directrix x is equal to plus or minus A divided by E. Both are having equation. Equation of lattice rectum x is equal to plus or minus AE. Equation of the directrix x is equal to plus or minus A divided by E. Length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum nothing but what? 2b square by A. Length of the lattice rectum is what? 2b square by A. These are very, very important for you. See, go through properly. Length of the transverse axis. Transverse axis nothing but what? X axis 2a. Length of the transverse axis. Transverse axis what axis? X axis 2a. Length of the conjugate axis. Conjugate axis nothing but what? Y axis, that is it 2b. See the diagram. What I am telling, everything having. What is the center? See that one. See, center is what? 0, 0. Center is 0, 0. A and A dash. A and A dashes are vertices of the hyperbola. See the hyperbola, how to draw. This is the hyperbola. Parallel to what axis? Transverse axis, what axis? X axis. X axis. The vertex is in X axis. So transverse axis, what axis? X axis. So A, what is the vertices? A is A, 0. A dash is what? Minus A, 0. Lattice rectum. Lattice rectum. Next focus. Focus is what? S and S dash. S is what? AE, 0 or S is what? C, 0. Both are same only. S is C, 0. C is nothing but what? AE, 0. What is our S dash? Minus C, 0. Minus C, 0. That is nothing but what? S dash. S and S dashes are nothing but what? Focus. Focus of the hyperbola. So A and A dash is what? Vertices. A and A dash is vertices of the hyperbola. S and S dash is foci. Focus of the hyperbola. Next, lattice rectum. Lattice rectum nothing but what? Passing through the focus. L dash is the lattice rectum. That is length of the lattice rectum. What is the length of the lattice rectum? Just now I learned length of the lattice rectum is 2b square by A. But equation of the lattice rectum is x is equal to plus or minus E. Equation is what? Plus or minus A. Length of the lattice rectum, that is length L into L dash. L dash is nothing. Length of the lattice rectum. Length of the lattice rectum is nothing but what? 2b square by E. Lattice rectum always passing through what? Focus. Small L. These both are directrix. L is the smallest L. That line is nothing but what? This is nothing but directrix. D-I-R-E-T-R-I-X. This is directrix. What is our equation of directrix? Equation of directrix is what? X is equal to plus or minus A divided by E. See, remaining are same for you. Center is what? Origin, that is 0, 0. So vertices is what? For the transverse axis is X axis, therefore A, 0 minus A, 0. Foci is what? C, 0 or minus C, 0. C is nothing but either AE. Here also minus AE. C is what? AE, 0 or C, 0. Both are same only. Equation of the lattice rectum x is equal to plus or minus AE. Equation of the directrix x is equal to plus or minus A divided by E. What is the length of the lattice rectum? Length of the lattice rectum is Length of the lattice rectum is 2b square by a. Length of the lattice rectum. Length of the transverse axis, that is x axis. The transverse axis, what axis? X axis, 2a. Length of the conjugate axis, that is y axis, that is 2b. See the diagram. This is that parabola is passing through what axis? X axis. Because this is what is center. Center is what? 0, 0. This is the center. X axis. X, y. This is x axis. This is the y axis. Center is 0, 0. Passing through the origin. This is what? S and S dash. S and S dash is focus. A and A dash is what? Vertices. L dash. That is the lattice rectum. This is the small L is nothing but what? Directories. So understand the diagram. If you understand the diagram very well, means sum is very easy for you. This is nothing but what? Related to ellipse. So go through the ellipse afterwards. What? Go through the hyperbola. For having the hyperbola is nothing but only simple only change. That is nothing but what? Only for having plus means that is equation of the ellipse. Here having minus means equation of the hyperbola. See, listen here. Types of the hyperbola with the center h, k. For already I taught hyperbola passing through the center with 0, 0. This is what? Type hyperbola with the center h, k. Two types only is what? Transverse axis parallel to x axis. Another one is transverse axis parallel to y axis. See the diagram clearly given in your book. Go through the book also. So already I taught equation of the hyperbola passing through with the center. Here equation of the hyperbola with the center other than the origin. That is other than the origin means that is passing through other point except origin. That is h, k. Say listen. The equation of the hyperbola with the center is h, k. And the transverse axis is parallel to what axis? X axis. See the figure x axis. So what is the formula? X minus h the whole square by, that is what is the equation of parabola in standard form? X square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Instead of that one, if it is not passing through the origin, it is other than the origin means that is the origin is h, k is x minus h the whole square by a square minus y minus k the whole square by b square equal to 1. This is what? Equation of the hyperbola with the center is what? h, k. See the diagram also. What is this? Is what? Hyperbola. What passing through what? This is x axis, this is y axis. So they will passing through other than the origin. Other than the origin means x, y. This is what? X. If you want to draw extent, but this is section that the diagram means. This is what? X dash. What is this? Y dash. So this is what is this is on vertex. We draw the hyperbola. This is also hyperbola. This is the center. Center is what? h, k other than the origin. That is not passing through the origin. So C is h, k. What is the vertex? Vertex is what? Vertex always remember that a. h plus a. h, k remember that h plus a, k. Here what? What is the vertex? A of h minus a, k. This is h plus a, k. In the right side means right word means left word is what? h minus a, k. Plus means what? Here having minus, that's all only. Vertex is always using the symbol a. Therefore vertex a dash. A is what? h plus a, k. A dash is what? h minus a, k. Similarly focus is s and s dash. S is what? h plus c, k. Instead of a substitute c, that's all only. h plus c, k. Here what? S dash is what? h minus c, k. That is the vertex. So the transverse axis is what? Parallel to x axis. So the coordinate of the vertices are h plus a. That is vertices means what? A is what? h plus a, k. And a dash is h minus a, k. The coordinate of focus is what? The same thing. Instead of instead of taking a, focus is nothing but using c. That's all only. h plus c, k. S dash is what? h minus c, k. Where c square. Remember c square equal to a square plus b square. The center c square equal to a square plus b square. In ellipse c square equal to a square minus b square. Remember it. C square equal to a square minus b square. Here what? What is c square? C square equal to a square plus b square. The equation of directories, already I told you, the equation data plus or minus x is equal to plus or minus a by e. Equation of the directories. Equation of directories is plus or minus a by e. Equation of the lattice rectum is x is equal to plus or minus a e. Length of the lattice rectum 2b square by a. Already these information are given in the already itself for y notes itself. So what is that here? Transverse axis parallel to x axis. Vertices a and a dash. Center is h, k. Vertices a is h plus a, k. A dash is h minus a, k. The focus is what? Instead of a using what? h plus c, k. h minus c, k. The equation directly is x is equal to plus or minus a e. Everything in the clearly in the book. This hyperbola is what? Parallel to what axis? The transverse axis is parallel to x axis. Similarly, the transverse axis is parallel to next one is what? Y axis. Next one is y axis. the same thing. This is what? Parallel to y-axis. First one is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis. This is parallel to y-axis. This is the center. Center is nothing but what? H comma k. Center is H comma k. What is our vertices? A is H comma k minus a, because this is the downward below the origin. So H comma k minus a. Here what? So what is the vertices? A of H comma k plus a. K plus a. Not C. K plus a. H comma k plus a. This is what? This a is H comma k plus a. This a is what? H comma k minus a, because downward. Similarly, what is our S? S is what? Focus. S is nothing but what? H comma k plus c. Here S is what? H comma k minus c. The same thing only. This is parallel to what axis? Y-axis. Y-axis means having what? Added with a k. Add and subtract with a k. H comma k plus a. H comma k minus a. Similarly, H comma focus is H comma k plus c. Focus is H comma k minus c. So see the equation hyperbola with the center. Equation hyperbola with the center is what? H comma k, and the transverse axis is parallel to what axis? Y-axis. The transverse axis is parallel to y-axis. See, go through properly. It is very easy for you. See the diagram. Totally changed for the equation, because parallel to y-axis means nothing but the standard form is what? Y square by a square minus x square by e square. Axis is only changed. Instead of xy, interchange the xy, interchange the y-axis. So y minus k the whole square by a square minus x minus h the whole square by b square. Which one is interchange? X and y. So instead of x place come for the what? Y. So y always added with what? K. Y minus k the whole square by a square minus x minus h the whole square by b square equal to what? This is what the axis is parallel to. Transverse axis parallel to what axis? Y axis. Similarly, the coordinate of the vertices a equal to h comma k plus a dash is same thing. H comma k minus a. The coordinate of the foci is s of h comma k plus c, s dash of h comma k minus c, where c square the same. C square equal to a square plus b square. The equations of the directrix y equal to. Equal directrix for x axis means x is equal to. Equal directrix x axis means x is equal to plus or minus a by e. Here equal directrices are y equal to plus or minus a by e, because parallel to y axis means y equal to plus or minus a by e. Parallel to x axis means what? X is equal to plus or minus a divided by e. See, now I start exercise number 5.2, question number 3. Here first and second sum, first, second, third are based on the hyperbola sum. See that one, I separately segregate that once, arrange it properly. First I will teach the parabola, second one is ellipse, third one is I am going to explain about the sums based on the hyperbola sums. So find the sum of the hyperbola in each of the cases. We are going to find the equation of the hyperbola in each of the cases given below. We are going to given what are given? Foci and eccentricity is given. Foci is nothing but what? S and S dash is given, because plus or minus 2 comma 0 means c comma 0 minus c comma 0 is given. So foci is given, eccentricity is nothing but e equal to given. Using this given, we are going to make the equation of the parabola. So we need what? Equation of parabola, we need what? A and B. A value as well as we need the B value. So what is the focus? See the diagram here also. This is the focus. This is what? Plus or minus 2 comma 0 is the parabola. The hyperbola is passing through the origin. Therefore center is what? 0 comma 0. This is the vertex A. This is nothing but what? Vertices A dash. It's not given A and dash. A and A dash is not given. Only given the focus. Focus is always inside the curve. The focus is always either ellipse or hyperbola, everything parabola. The focus is always inside the curve. The hyperbola though, S and S dash. So what is focus is given? Plus or minus 2 comma 0. Therefore S is plus 2 comma 0. S dash is what? Minus 2 comma 0. The focus is given. As well as what? Vertices is also given. Using the focus, we find the distance between the focus. The distance between the focus is nothing but what? AE. Already I told you, distance between center and focus is AE. Center and focus is C and S is what? AE. C and S dash is what? Another AE. Both are having joined together, we get the 2 AE. So therefore this is what is the focus? S and S dash. So you apply the formula, distance formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Now we want to take x2, this is what? Minus 2 comma 0 Another one is what? Minus 2 comma 0. This is A vertices is the focus of S is what? 2 comma 0. The focus of S dash is what? Minus 2 comma 0. Keep it as the 2 points S and dash dash. We are going to find the distance between S and S dash. So apply the distance formula. This is nothing but what? X1 Y1. This is what? X2 Y2. So X2 minus X1 whole square. So x2 minus into minus a plus 2 plus 2 whole square. Y2 minus y1 whole square, 0 minus 0. So the 2 plus 2 is nothing but what? 4 square. So cancel, we get the 4. Otherwise 2 plus 2 4, but apply how to come. So apply the distance between the S and S dash. Distance between S and S dash is taken as what? 2 AE, because from the center to the focus is AE, again center to another focus is AE, we get the 2 AE. Therefore 2 AE equal to 4. 2 AE equal to 4. Whatever AE, so divide by 2, we get AE equal to nothing but what? 2. AE equal to 2. What is our AE? AE is, that is C equal to 2. AE is nothing but what? C. Center C equal to 2. Using AE, we easily find the A value. See, A is nothing but C, keep it in mind. Now AE equal to means instead of A, E. What is given in E? E is eccentricity is given in 3 by 2. So you substitute in, instead of U, substitute 3 by 2. What A into, instead of U substitute 3 by 2 equal to, because A instead of U substitute what? 3 by 2 equal to 2. Now what? The 2 2s are 4, 4 by 3. So A into 3 by 2 equal to 2 means what is our A? It goes to this side, 2 2s are 4, 4 divided by 3. A equal to 4 by 3, we need what? A square. A square equal to 16 by 9. A equal to 4 by 3 means A square is what? 16 by 9. It's enough for you. So what is our C square? C square equal to A square plus B square. C square equal to A square plus B square. We remember whatever A square, what value know? We know C. C is nothing but what? We know, just now we find A is nothing but what? C. So C square equal to nothing but what? 4. A square just now find 16 by 9. Substitute this. C square equal to A square plus B square. In ellipse, C square equal to A square minus 7. Compare with learn. It is easily remember for you. For your ellipse, C square is what? A square minus B square. In hyperbola, C square equal to what? A square plus B square. So instead of C, you substitute what? 2. 2 square equal to A square is what? 16 by 9 plus B square is what we are going to find. So 2 2s are 4. So B square equal to 4 minus 16 by 9. See the calculation. B square equal to 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 16 by 9. So multiply, get what? 4 9s are 36. 36 minus 16 by 9. Now B square equal to what? 20 by 9. So we can find out all the values. So what is the value? We find the C value, A value as well as B value. Now what is the transverse axis? Transverse axis along what axis? X axis. See the diagram also. Because what? 2 plus 2 comma 0 minus 2 comma 0 means Y axis there is no value, means the hyperbola passing through X axis as well as the center is what? Nothing but the origin. So remember that, you understand the question, what is the given, depends upon the question we find out the value. So we want to need A square and B square value. So we find out the A square equal to 16 by 9. We find A square equal to 16 by 9. B square equal to nothing but what? 20 by 9. B square equal to 20 by 9. Now, therefore, the transverse axis along what axis? X axis. Equation of the hyperbola. Equation of hyperbola is what? X square by A square minus Y square by B square equal to 1. What is our A square? A square is nothing but what we find out. A square is 16 by 9. X square by 16 by 9 minus Y square. Y square by 20 by 9. Y square by 20 by 9. So just reciprocal of it's what you get? 9x square by 16 minus 9y square by 20 equal to 1. 9x square by 16 is the reciprocal of the denominator. What do you get? 9x square by 16 minus 9y square by 20 equal to 1. This is nothing but what? A required equation of the parabola. So what is the given? Using the focus and eccentricity, we find the equation of the parabola, asking in the either 2 mark or 3 mark question. These exercises are very important for you. Say in the same third question, see the second subdivision. Here what is given in the second subdivision? Given center is 2 comma 1. 2 comma 1, one of the foci is not given the 2 foci, one of the foci is 8 comma 1 and the corresponding directrix is given x is equal to 4. What are given? Say for the losses of focus and the eccentricity is given. This sum what is given? Center. Center is given 2 comma 1. Therefore we are the parabola is not passing through the origin because h comma k is nothing but what? 2 comma 1. The center means what? That is nothing but h This is not passing easily. Understand the center is 2 comma 1 is it's not passing through the origin. Center is what? H comma k. One of the foci is what? 8 comma 1. And the corresponding directrix is what? X is equal to 4. See the diagram carefully. I draw it. What I draw first? X and see x y. First I draw x. See that one. I differentiate here x, here y. Ordinary xy draw it. What is our center? Center is nothing but what? 2 comma 1. X axis to y axis 1. Center is 2 comma 1. Again focus is what? 8 comma 1. One of the foci only given. Focus is nothing but what? 8 comma 1. Therefore what is the directrix? Directrix x is equal to 4 is nothing but what? Directrix. Directrix x is equal to 4 is given. Using the given measurement, this is what? This is another x dash. This is what? X dash. Not passing through the origin, we take one more axis x dash and y dash. This is nothing but 2 comma 1 is nothing but a center, that is h comma k is 2 comma 1. Direct vertices is a, and directrix x is equal to 4, and focus is what? Focus is nothing but what? S is what? 8 comma 1. So the distance between the V bar D W means between distance between center and the focus are. See, already I told you distance center and the focus is a center ku focus on the distance on the AE. So CS and CS dash totally we are using 2 AE. Distance between center and the focus. This distance is keep it as what? AE. This is keep it as AE. Therefore, AE is nothing but C. So, AE equal to root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1. Distance when apply the distance formula, coordinate geometry formula, x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. What is our 1 point distance between center and the focus? Center is what? X taken as center point is 2 comma 1, that is taken as x1 y1. Focus point is we taken as y8 comma 1, x2 y2, x1 comma 1, x2 comma y2. What is the 8 minus 2? X2 minus x1, 8 minus 2 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, 1 minus 1 the whole square. 8 minus 2 is nothing but what? 6 square, 1 minus 1 is what? 0. So 6 square, cancel 6 and square, cancel, we get 6. That is we get using the distance formula from the center and the focus. First we find the AE. AE is nothing but what? Remember it C. So but we need what? Directrix is also given. Using the given only able to find out. That is, so first using the distance between center and the focus, first AE equal to 6. One more is given what? Distance between the center and the directrix. Center and the directrix. What is our center? Center is what? 2 comma 1. Directrix or x is equal to 4 means y axis is nothing but moving 1 unit. So y equal to what? X2. 1 point is what? That center point is what? We keep it as given in 2 comma 1. The directrix is what? We take x is equal to 4 means y axis is moving 1 unit means we take 4 comma 1. What is A by E? What is distance between the center? That is length, distance between the center and the directrix is what? A by E. A by E equal to root of x2 minus x1, 4 minus 2 the whole square plus 1 minus 1 the whole square. That is 1 minus 1 is always 0. We add 2 square. 2 square is take square root, we get 2. So E 1 and 2. First we find AE. Next we find A by E. First we find AE. First we find the value for what? AE. Next we find A by E. Using AE and A by E, easily find the A value. So multiply the first and the second equation. So 1 into 2. AE into AE equal to, what is our AE? AE is what? 6. AE is 6. A by E is what? 2. So AE into A by E is nothing. AE into A by E is what? 6 into 2. E cancel, we get A square. A square equal to 12. A square equal to 12 means what is our A? A equal to root 12. Root 12 is what? 2 into 2 into 2. Take that 2 root 3. A is, therefore we find the A value. So using AE, only AE equal to what? 6. What is our A? A equal to, with just now we find A equal to 2 root 3. 2 root 3 into E equal to 6. E equal to what? 6 by 2 root 3. You simplify, you get the result E equal to root 3. The students, I continue the same sum in the next video. Again, I am going to start in the next video for the third part, second subdivision.